What if beginners are making money online right now? Without fancy skills or big investments? I'll show you how to make money online for beginners, step by step. If you're new, confused, or overwhelmed, this video is for you. These methods are beginner-friendly, realistic, and proven. Let's start with the basics. Freelancing means selling a skill online. Skills like writing, video editing, or graphic design. Platforms connect beginners with clients. You don't need to be perfect, just better than yesterday. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to earn online. You can make money by creating content on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. You earn through ads, brand deals, and affiliate links. You don't need millions of followers. You need consistency. Affiliate marketing means promoting products and earning a commission. You don't create products or handle delivery. You simply recommend solutions people already need and earn when they buy. This is one of the best passive income ideas for beginners. Digital products include ebooks, templates, online courses, and guides. Create once, sell many times. If you know something useful, you can package it and sell it online. Beginners can also start with virtual assistant work or online tutoring and data entry. Simple remote jobs build experience and confidence. If someone promises, get rich overnight, or guaranteed income, run. Real online income takes time, skills, and consistency, but it works. Now you know how to make money online for beginners. If this helped, like the video. Subscribe for more online income tips. Comment start if you want a beginner roadmap. See you in the next video. 好姐。Remember to stay focused and keep learning. Your online success story starts now.